Alright, cooking a fucking steak here on my birthday. Trying my best. I don't know. Oh, I mean, this steak's been sitting in my freezer for a while, so. I mean, how long do steaks last? Do they go bad easily? I don't know what the fuck, man. I don't know. What the fuck, dude? Yo, I need my bro on this. I need Teddy Roosevelt. Teddy Roosevelt, you know. What is this supposed to look like? Let me get the camera closer. Hope I don't get fucking sick. Look at that. Did I use it? Did I do the right thing? I used olive oil. Olive oil. No. Yeah, extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. Yeah. Are you supposed to use olive oil? I don't fucking know. So, put that shit down there. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing here. Got a lot of cleaning up to do after this. Yeah. Man. How long are steaks supposed to be cooked? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. I'm trying my best here. I'm trying my best, everybody, so don't fucking give me too much shit.